and evolve more into 21st century modes of operating and really taking innovation strategy and making that a key component in tech transfer. We've evolved far beyond the notion that tech transfer is just licensing technology that serendipitously came out of basic research programs in laboratories and universities. And there are a lot of very good minds, both in the government and in the private and nonprofit sectors, really putting their heads to the best way to access the information, access the resources, to connect the dots in as many ways possible, reduce the transaction costs, and really work on open innovation models, because exchanging the information is going to be very, very key, more so than ever. So, thank you.
Thank you very much, Rochelle. That was fantastic. We've got a good amount of time for some discussion, and while you're all thinking of questions for our panelists, I thought maybe what I'd do is ask a question of my own for anybody on the panel, really. You know, it strikes me, you know, when we were thinking of this session, and then also as you all were speaking, technology development, innovation strategies, technology transfer, none of these are particularly new issues. It's things that companies, governments have worked on for a long period of time. It's sort of within the context of our current energy and climate challenges that we're really looking at how fast can you push innovation, how much can you expedite sort of development and deployment of these technologies, how widely can you diffuse them into different markets, and really gets down to the heart of the question about transitioning to a low carbon economy, which is how fast can you do these things, and how do you overcome those barriers. And I was interested in sort of the tack that Michael took in his discussion of technology transfer, where you get to the issues of strategy, right? This is not just about how you do these things in a mechanical way, it's about countries and interests. And for much of the time that we've been talking about climate and energy strategies, in terms of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and energy consumption, a lot of the global models or the sort of academic assessments we do is about how to work efficiencies into the system and drive technologies into market as quickly and as cheaply as possible. But then when you look sort of on the national level within the political context, it's about being a winner in the technology race. It's about being the deployer or the generator of the next big technology, the home for manufacturing of technologies and exporting them into markets. From all of your expert views, I mean, how